Your skill can earn money for you even if you are in sleep, but still you are earning at that time. Interesting, right? Okay, we will discuss. Hey, I am SK and welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video, right? Video may be a little long, but watch it fully because at the end of this video, you will have an idea that how skills earn online, and if you have any of them, then you can earn a handsome money. Now come to the topic. If you have these 5 skills, then you can earn money online. What are those skills and how to monetize? Let's discuss. Skill number 1, tech skill. And how to monetize, what are the methods? Let's discuss about it. First is freelancing. Offer your tech skills. If I give an example like web development, software development, data analysis, cyber security, IT support, graphic design, video editing, like this all. On platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, like this, right? You can search it out on internet. There are several things you can find out. Next is creating and selling digital products. Develop and sell software, plugins, themes, templates, mobile apps, digital art, or other digital assets like. Next is online courses and tutorials. Teach your tech skills through platforms like Udemy, then Coursera, Teachable, or by creating your own website with your own course. Then technical writing. Write documentation, tutorials and articles for tech companies, blogs and online publications. Then next, consulting. Offer your expertise to businesses needing tech advice, implementation or troubleshooting. Then next is building and managing websites or e-commerce stores. Create and manage websites or online stores for clients. Then affiliate marketing. Promote tech-related products and services on your blog, websites or social media channels and earn a commission on sales. Then next is content creations. Means on YouTube, blogging, podcasting, like this, right? So how to do it? Create tech-focused content and monetize through ads, sponsorships and selling your own products or services. Okay, now let's discuss point number 2, that is financial skill and how to monetize. That methods we will discuss now. In financial skill, first is financial consulting. Offer advice on budgeting, investment, retirement planning, debt management, and tax strategies to individuals and businesses. Then next is online courses and workshops. Teach personal finance, investing, or specific financial topics through online platforms. Then next is financial writing and blogging. Write articles, blog posts and ebooks on financial topics for various websites and publications. Then next is managing investments online. How to do it? Let's discuss. If qualified, offer online investment management services. Then next, bookkeeping and accounting services. Provide virtual bookkeeping and accounting services for small businesses and individuals. Then next is creating and selling financial tools, templates. Develop and sell budgeting spreadsheets, investment trackers or other financial templates. Then here also next point, that is affiliate marketing. Promote financial products and services. Example, if I will give, then budgeting apps, investment platforms like that, and earn commissions on that. Then next is financial coaching. How to do it? Provide one-on-one or group coaching to help people achieve their financial goals. Then let's discuss about the skill, that is skill number 3, that is coaching skill, and let's discuss how to monetize. What are the methods? So first here is online coaching sessions. As the term it is, I hope you understand this, like offer individual or group coaching sessions via video calls or various topics like life coaching, business coaching, career coaching, health and wellness coaching, etc. and etc. like that, right? Then next is creating and selling coaching programs. How to do it? Let's discuss. I am here, don't worry, I will guide you everything. Develop structured coaching programs with modules, workbooks and support materials. Okay, now next is online workshops and webinars. Host paid online workshops and webinars on your coaching niche. Then next method is writing and selling ebooks and guides. Create resources related to your coaching expertise. In this method you can do it, right? So next is affiliate marketing is there for every skill you have, so we have to discuss it again and again for that. So how to do it, affiliate marketing here? Recommend relevant tools and resources to your clients and earn commission on that. Then let's discuss point number 4 of skill, that is planning skill. And now let's discuss how to monetize. What are the methods? So here first is project management. Offer your planning and organizational skill to manage projects remotely for individuals and businesses. Nowadays you can do everything and anything by going online. This is the thing we love for nowadays. You can do it anything, everything with just you have your laptop, you have your tablet, you have your smartphone, and yes, a speed and fast internet connection. And one more thing, a best coach like me who can guide you properly. Okay, jokes apart, I'm just joking. Okay, now come to the topic and let's discuss about that method, how to do it. And we are talking all the methods of that. And now let's discuss our next method, that is virtual assistant services. Provide organizational and planning support to clients, including scheduling, task management and event planning. Then here next method is business planning consulting. Help startups and existing businesses develop business plans and strategies. Then next is content planning and strategy. So how to do it? Assist businesses and individuals in planning their content calendars and strategies for blogs and social media, etc. Right? Then next method is event planning, and yes, it is also virtual. So how to do it? Means plan and manage online events, webinars and conferences. This is all about of it. Then next is creating and selling planners and templates. It is very much famous nowadays. So how to do it? Let's discuss about this method. Design and sell digital or printable planners, calendars and organizational templates. Then the next method will be course creation and curriculum development. What is this? It is just plan and structure online courses and learning materials for others. Then let's discuss our next skill, that is point number 5 and last, that is writing skill. And now discuss how to do it and what are the methods. So in this way, the first method will be freelance writing. As the name freelance writing means freelance writing, right? So how to do it and how what is the method, all that let's discuss. Offer your writing services for articles, blog post, website content, copywriting, technical writing, host writing and more on platforms like ProBlogger, Contently and another one, that is Upwork. Next method is blogging. You can earn a huge money. How? Let's discuss. I will tell you. In blogging, you will create your own blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own product or services if you have, and like sponsored content, right? I have also created a lot of videos on blogging. You can also check it out in my video, all available in my channel, that is in Odia language. Then next method we'll discuss, that is ebook and book writing. What is this and how to do it? It is write and sell your own ebooks and physical books through platforms like Amazon Kindle direct publishing. That Amazon Kindle services. Then next is content marketing. Help businesses create engaging content for their websites, social media and email marketing campaigns. Then next method is copywriting. Write persuasive marketing materials that drive sales for businesses. Okay, like this. So now let's discuss next method, that is creating and selling templates. How to do it? Well, develop and sell writing templates for resumes, cover letter, proposals, like that. like this. Lot of things are there also, right? You can do it like this. Then next method we will discuss, that is online courses on writing. Teach others how to improve their writing skills. In this way you can do it. Then next method, grant writing. Help non-profit organizations and other entities write successful grant proposals. So this is it. These are 5 skills. If you have, then don't wait to start. If you like anything, what I said before, then just go for it. If you need any help, just comment me. I will help you because I am there for you always, right? If you like this video, then please do subscribe and motivate me, and share this video with your loved ones. Let's share the knowledge and spread happiness. Okay, now it's the climax, and lastly I can say some heroic style. This can be a motivation for you. Use your skills wisely and check out the different ways to make money online. Build a good online reputation, connect with people, and always do great work to succeed. Hope you like this. Take care and bye-bye.